Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites. Make sure Android Studio, Gradle, and the SDK build tools match the project's compile SDK and target SDK. Once done, clean caches and rebuild to reproduce the error reliably. Go to File, Invalidate Caches, and restart. Next, open the build output and read the exact resource linking failed message. Note the resource name and the XML file path. This identifies whether the issue is malformed XML, missing drawable, or a style conflict, and it sets the next precise fix. Now dig into the XML and resource layer. Open the reported XML file and inspect namespaces, closing tags, and attribute value types. A single malformed tag breaks resource linking. Make sure resource file names use lowercase and underscores only, and that there are no duplicated resource names across modules or product flavors. When libraries introduce conflicting resources, rename or use tools, replace in manifest or refactor resource names. Once corrected, run Gradle sync and rebuild to see whether the linker clears the error. Finish by ensuring build tooling and dependencies are consistent. Update the Android Gradle plugin and libraries, then run a clean build using /gradlu clean assemble debug to force fresh resource packaging. If errors persist, examine opt2 verbose logs by enabling info or debug Gradle output for precise failure lines. If you still see linkage failures, temporarily disable incremental opt2 or revert the last resource edits to isolate the change. Key troubleshooting tip: when stuck, bisect recent resource commits to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.